Hello, and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whichever time you're watching this. I am doing this video for week 5 or assignment 5, which is quadrant number 2 of the course, titled Looking Good on Paper. And I wanted to do this because oftentimes we understand that we want to get an interview and that an interview carries a lot of weight and whether or not we get job opportunities, but we fail to address the fact that the reason why we don't get a lot of interviews is because we don't look good on paper. So with that in mind, this quadrant, and to recall for you all, we are doing the course in quadrants in four week increments. So the grades that you currently have, I'll encourage you to check your grades. The grades that you currently have are based off of the first 4 assignments. If you have an assignment that is not submitted and you would like to submit an assignment, you can do so by sending me an email asking that I open the assignment for you. It will still be subject to a late penalty, which is 5 points off. However, you can still submit that assignment. If you have already submitted an assignment and you've already been graded for that assignment, you cannot resubmit. And the grade is as is. Nonetheless, quadrant 2, which is the next 4 weeks of the course, is going to talk about resumes and cover letters mainly, but also I would like to have a conversation with you all about gap year and elevator speeches. So with any YouTube live, there is a participation. So I will leave links in the assignment, not in this video. I will leave links in the assignment about taking a gap year after college and creating an elevator speech. I will know that you've watched this video and participated in the video by sending me an email reply or sending an email to me in response to either the gap year video or the elevator speech video. The elevator speech is going to be very important when it comes to mock interviewing. And I would like to say that though mock interviewing is at the end of this month, I want us to be mindful that I will have a doodle link in that assignment 8 that I need you to complete ASAP. That's going to help me organize and coordinate your mock interview. That interview will be over the phone. So please use your class schedule or your work schedule to best identify the best time that you can work on your, that you can do your mock interview. The mock interviews will be like you interviewing for your ideal internship or ideal job after college. So with that, the participation for this assignment 5 again is to watch the video on the gap year and the elevator speeches. Send me an email in regards to one of those videos, either or what you think about it, or if you have questions about it or whatever, send me an email and that's how I'll know that you have watched the video. And also complete the link to the mock interviewing. All of this is in the instructions. And just to repeat, we are in quadrant 2. If you're not satisfied with your grades, I encourage you to not only read the instructions carefully, but to set a reminder to check in on assignments to know when assignments are due. Or check in to the platform like every Saturday morning at least, so you won't miss an assignment. For any questions or concerns, please send me an email, and I look forward to looking at your resumes and cover letters.